Have you ever paused to consider burger making as an art form? From the simple cheeseburger to exotic creations with gourmet ingredients, the humble burger has been elevated beyond fast food. Chefs around the globe are pushing boundaries, transforming this everyday meal into an experience that tantalizes the senses. They meticulously craft each layer, each ingredient, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Burger making has certainly evolved, but the question remains, is it art? The debate is as juicy as the burgers themselves. On one side of the grill we have those who passionately argue that gourmet burger making is an art. They point to the creativity that goes into crafting these culinary delights, the skill required to balance flavors and textures, and the attention to detail that transforms a simple meal into a gourmet experience. On the other side, we have the skeptics who appreciate the craftsmanship but hesitate to label it as art. They acknowledge the talent and dedication involved but insist that while burger making may be a form of craftsmanship, it doesn't quite meet the criteria to be considered art. They argue that art is about self-expression and evoking emotion, and question whether a gourmet burger can truly achieve this. This heated debate sizzles with diverse perspectives, each as unique as the gourmet burgers they're discussing. So, are gourmet burgers culinary masterpieces or simply well-crafted food? Let's bite into some examples. Picture a gourmet burger where the beef patty is seasoned with exotic spices from the Far East, cradled in a homemade butter tortilla that's a testament to the art of baking. This isn't just a meal, it's a culinary journey. Or imagine a burger that tells a story. The patty is made from grass-fed beef, signifying a commitment to ethical farming. The cheese is sourced from a local dairy, a nod to the importance of community. And the bun is sprinkled with grains of Himalayan and Celtic salt, symbolizing the balance of flavors and life. Then, there's the burger that plays with your senses. It's visually stunning, with layers of vibrant colors from fresh veggies, a succulent patty, and a glossy bun. The aroma is enticing, a harmony of grilling meat, melting cheese, and freshly baked bread. And the taste, an explosion of flavors that leaves you craving for more. These burgers certainly give us food for thought. So is gourmet burger making an art form? We've explored the creativity and skill that goes into these culinary masterpieces. And we've seen how they can be as elaborate and visually stunning as a canvas painting. On the other hand, some argue that food is a necessity, not an art form, and the purpose of a burger is to be eaten, not admired. The answer may ultimately depend on your personal definition of art. Whether you see it as art or not, there's no denying the skill and creativity that goes into a gourmet burger. But what do you think? We've taken a deep dive into the world of gourmet burger making, looked at it from various angles, and even compared it to traditional art forms. Now, it's your turn to share your thoughts on this topic. Is crafting a gourmet burger an art form in your book? Or do you see it as a mere culinary task, a simple act of cooking? We've seen how gourmet burger making involves creativity, skill, and a keen eye for detail, quite similar to what we associate with traditional art. From selecting the perfect cut of meat, grinding it to the right consistency, shaping it into a patty, and cooking it to perfection, every step is a testament to the craftsman's skill. Then, there's the assembly. The way each layer is stacked, the choice of ingredients, the combination of flavors, there's a certain aesthetic appeal to it, don't you think? It's a symphony of colors, textures, and flavors. Much like a well-composed painting or a beautifully choreographed dance, and let's not forget those gourmet burgers that truly blur the line between food and art. Burgers that are so intricately assembled, so visually stunning, that you almost feel guilty sinking your teeth into them. They're edible masterpieces, each one unique, each one a testament to the chef's creativity and passion. But then again, there's the other side of the coin. The argument that food, no matter how beautifully prepared or presented, is ultimately meant to be consumed. It's a necessity, a means to an end, not an art form. That the act of cooking, even in its most elaborate form, is a craft, not art. So, where do you stand in this debate? Is gourmet burger making an art form, a craft, or somewhere in between? Do you see the creativity and skill involved as elements of art or merely as tools of a trade? Are you captivated by the visual appeal of a well-assembled gourmet burger, or do you focus more on the taste and texture? No matter what your perspective is, it's clear that gourmet burger making is a fascinating topic, one that can spark interesting discussions and debates. And isn't that what art is all about? Sparking conversations, stirring emotions, getting people to think and see things from different perspectives? So, share your thoughts. Dive into the comments section and let's get this conversation started. Do you see art in your burger, or is it just a delicious meal? Your input, your perspective is an important part of this discussion. After all, art is subjective. What one person sees as art, another might not. And that's the beauty of it. It's not about right or wrong, it's about different viewpoints, different interpretations. So don't hold back. Share your thoughts, your experiences, your insights. Let's delve deeper into this topic and see where this conversation takes us. And remember to like this video and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. Until next time, keep savoring those flavors.